well, so thanks for being here. So can I start by getting all of your names and titles?
Hello, I'm Hangzhang Chen from TTRI.
I'm Alvin, sales manager from Wild Bear.
Yeah, my name is Ray Lin. I'm from Kevitex. I'm the general manager. Kevitex USA.
What is the backstory of looping nylon? Maybe you can start with one of you, and I can go down the line, but maybe you can talk about kind of like the origin story, and then we can go from there.
So what's been happening is a lot of the customers and brands want a recycled and mono material. So when we talk about recycled materials right now, it's maybe a nylon fabric with a PVC or TPU coating. So when you want to do recycling, you would have to mechanically or chemically separate the two, then you do the recycling. So with this project, looping the nylon is pretty much a nylon fabric, recycled nylon fabric from fishnets. And then with those same fishnets, we granulate it and make them into resin and laminate the film onto that recycled fabric. So that gives you what we call a mono material, a single chemical-based fabric, I guess. And then we can recycle it as a whole and then reuse it into the next production. So in Carolax, they make beds. So our coated fabrics will be made into a bed. So we can recycle those beds once it's at the end of the use of the life cycle, and then we'll put it back into the coating process.
Yeah, it's actually a medical air mattress that we currently utilize in their material, recycled material, and we produce them into a air mattress. And currently we are selling throughout Canada, United States, and Latin America. And we have other branches that cover Europe, Asia.
Okay. Usually the fishnets have many grades, hardcore and soft. So we use the ultrasonic washing technology to remove the solid, and we can up to 98% to clean this to reuse.
Can you talk more about the status quo before? You mentioned like the difficulty of taking like the two different types of polymers and then extracting them out and recycling them. But can you share more about what is the kind of like delta you've achieved with it? Just some more details on that.
So the biggest challenge with nylon is the working temperature is not very high. So during our lamination process, it can be as high as 150 and 180 degrees Celsius. And so one challenge during the development process is getting the nylon film to not stick to our lamination rollers. And so back and forth with TTR, because they make the recycled nylon chips. So back and forth with them, we were able to get to the right spot, the sweet spot, where we were able to laminate the recycled nylon onto the recycled nylon fabric without any melting issues or defects.
What was the collaboration like? I'll let any of you speak, but can you talk about the collaboration process, like the back and forth?
So, Wild Bear is Taiwan's largest coated fabrics and laminated fabrics facility manufacturer. And so when TTRI came to us with this idea, it also aligned with what we are sourcing for, because our customers, they're all sustainability focused. And so they want a monomaterial that they can commercialize. And so that's where the initial part was the raw material side, and then the processing side, the lamination, and then the finished goods is at Carolax.
What are the next steps that you're planning with it?
Well, we hope to commercialize it as soon as we can. Right now, all the advanced technologies are still with TTRI. So what we want to do is scale the production of the recycled nylon from fishnet waste, and then align that with our customers into whether it's for medical purposes, aviation, sports, or footwear.
Broad spectrum.
Yeah. So it aligns with a lot of brands where they want sustainability, carbon reduction as a sourcing goal. And so it's a big breakthrough for us.
Can you talk about the fishnet waste? How big of an issue is that? There's a lot of it, right?
Yeah.
What kind of scale?
In the ocean.
It's a lot of raw material.
Exactly. And I guess for us it's good. One, we can clean up the ocean and reuse that into the product chain. So I think right now we're not too concerned about the amount that's available, because we're still putting in a lot of effort to collect the waste.
Well, congrats again on the win. Thanks for being here.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.